So in this PicsArt tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Facebook post here on PicsArt. So once you have PicsArt open up on your device, go to the bottom left and press on where it says Tools. So for me, it's beside where it says Gold and Effects. Simply just press on Tools. Then go to the top left and press on Crop. Now, if you want to make it the aspect ratio or the dimensions in one of a Facebook post on PicsArt, simply just scroll this bottom bar all the way to the right until you come across where it says Facebook, the Facebook logo, and where it says Post. So if you go ahead and press on that, it actually now changes the dimensions into what a Facebook post would be on PicsArt. So once that is done, you can go ahead and crop it to whatever you want. So if you wanted to go ahead and keep this, go to the top right and press on Apply. And there you go. You've now cropped your picture into what appears to be a Facebook post here on PicsArt. Thanks again for watching. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.